Hello guys and welcome to my channel, and on this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you what to do in case you have the problem local security authority protection is off, your device may be vulnerable. But before we start this video, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button because I'm trying to reach 10,000 subs as fast as possible, and it's free and you can always change your mind. To fix this problem you have to press Windows key plus R or search on the search bar for run. And on here you have to type regedit and press OK and press yes. And here you have to go into this path: computer, H key local machine, system, current control set, control, and in here you have to search for LSA right here. And on to here you have to right click on an empty spot and press new, and dword 32-bit value, and you have to rename this as run as PPL, and once again you have to press new and dword 32-bit value again, and this one you have to rename run as PPL bot. After that double click on the first one, run as PPL, and set value to 2 and press OK, and for the other one once again double click on it and set value to 2 and OK. If you already have these two keys right here, you don't have to make new ones, just double click on both of them and set value for 2 for both of them. After that, restart your computer and your problem should be gone. This was the whole quick tutorial for today. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. I was Bas from Bas Tech. Until next time, have a nice day.